It upgraded to the latest appearance, using blue and white colors. The machine is small and lightweight, making full use of the internal space, reducing the size for easy transportation. Opening and closing cover design facilitates inspection and maintenance. Clear and neat wiring connections make it easy to find problems. Add an appropriate amount of pure water to the water injection position until it reaches the green indicator area. Simple operation interface facilitates parameter modification and language switching. Support multiple languages to meet the needs of various countries. We support customized services and can customize different laser systems. It can also be upgraded to add cleaning and cutting functions. The welding speed of the new model is significantly faster compared to the old version. Its stability and ease of operation have also been greatly improved. The machine is user-friendly and highly adaptable, making it suitable for various work environments and scenarios. Our machine effortlessly meets the welding requirements for various materials. It is capable of welding a wide range of materials including stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and galvanized sheets. This versatility ensures that you can handle diverse welding projects with ease and precision. Our machine excels in welding not only round pipes but also square pipes and various other pipe types. The weld seams are clean and aesthetically pleasing, eliminating the need for grinding and secondary processing. With multiple welding modes, it can achieve welding at any angle, making it ideal for complex seams and irregularly shaped large workpieces. This versatility ensures precise and efficient welding across a broad range of applications. It also excels in welding metal sheets and tube together. This capability allows for versatile applications, seamlessly joining different types of materials and shapes in a single process. We have focused on the laser industry for many years and have close cooperative relationships with many well-known brands. We have large-scale factories and assembly workshops. Experienced assembly workers who have been in the industry for many years assemble the equipment to guarantee the quality. All products are subject to final debugging and testing by the Quality Inspection Department before leaving the factory, and can be packaged and shipped only after passing the test and being signed by the production supervisor. Our machines are meticulously packed in fully enclosed wooden crates, guaranteeing they arrive at your location in perfect condition. This robust packaging ensures maximum protection during transit. Shipped via premium international logistics for reliable delivery.